So let's start with the phone. A shop owner closes up at 6, goes home, has dinner. What's actually happening to their business while they're gone?
Money's walking out the door, mostly. The average repair order in this industry runs about $428, and most shops miss roughly 3 calls a week after they've closed up and gone home.
Okay, 3 calls. That doesn't sound like much.
It doesn't, until you do the math. 3 calls a week, 52 weeks at $428 each. That's about $66,000 a year. And here's the part that stings. Most of those callers never call back. They just dial the next shop on the list.
So it's not even a maybe. That's revenue that's already gone.
Already gone. And the owner never even knows it happened. There's no missed call report that tells you what that brake job would have been worth.
Right, so what does Auto Advisor actually do about it? Because I've heard AI receptionist pitched 100 times.
Fair. The difference is it's not a voicemail tree, and it's not a script reader. The front desk agent answers after hours, talks like a person, pulls up the customer if they've been in before, and books the bay before the call ever hits voicemail. It checks the real schedule, so it's not double booking Thursday at 9.
And this works for a franchise dealer's service department too? Not just the independent corner shop?
Same engine, all three. Independent repair shops, used car and aftermarket dealerships, and the name brand franchise stores. Anybody doing $1 million to $5 million, sales floor to service bays. The agent sits on top of whatever you already run, your shop software or a dealer DMS like DealerCenter or Frazer. Nothing gets ripped out.
That's the part owners get nervous about. They've already got software they hate switching.
And they shouldn't have to. I spent years at Tesla, SpaceX, and Rivian, and the lesson that stuck with me was you don't rip out the system that works. You put a smarter layer on top of it. That's the whole design. Keep your tools, we orchestrate across them.
So walk me through the morning. Owner comes in at 7. What's different?
Instead of guessing, there's a brief waiting. Here's who the front desk booked overnight. Here's the part the parts desk already flagged for the 9 o'clock job. Here are the 2 bays still open Thursday. The owner walks in already knowing the day, instead of building it from scratch with the phone ringing.
And the parts piece, that's a different agent watching inventory?
It is. The front desk books the work, and the parts desk looks ahead at what those booked jobs need and tells you before you run short. So the car doesn't show up Thursday and then sit because the part's 3 days out. The whole drive is talking to itself.
Okay, so honestly, is the pitch here fire your service writer?
No, the opposite. It's your same team running about 40% more efficient. Your writer stops spending the morning chasing voicemails and starts actually selling the work that's in front of them. We augment the people. We don't replace them.
That's the line I'd want to hear if it were my shop. Where do people go to see it?
There's a live demo, no login, at autoadvisorpartners.com/demo. You can drive the whole thing. And if you want it run on your real numbers, request a service drive audit, and we'll show you what the crew would have caught last month.